I just shared on my blog for premium members an exclusive behind-the-scenes video. If you missed it, please go check it out. This one is for YouTube, so it's for everyone. We made this session inside the showroom Toulouse. I was with a ballerina, Angelina. If you are a premium member, you probably have seen her in my work already in the past. We were allowed to use some of the prototype dresses that they have there. These are some of the ingredients of this session. If you want to learn more, if you want to see the results, please stick around. It all happens after the intro. I've been there before, but haven't posted any footage here on YouTube. So if you are a premium member, this will look familiar. It will close down soon, so I will probably not work there anymore. This time I brought a flash with me, the GODOX AD300 Pro, and it behaved strangely. It changed its settings mid-shoot and also fired all by itself, which is strange. If you have ever experienced this yourself with your GODOX flashes, please share your experience in the comments below. I'm really curious to know if I'm the only one, because I will have to investigate this further to understand what happened that day. Other than that, everything went smoothly. And this is what happens when you already know the dancer, the model, and already know the space. Unfortunately, we're not there at the best time of the day. This is why I brought with me a flash, because like last time, I wanted to take advantage of these big windows, and it didn't work all the time. I only worked with the GF50 and the GF80mm, and of course the Fujifilm GFX100S. We stayed in the main room for this one and played with the environment as much as possible. Basic intention, feel, and composition were given each time to the dancer. I was not looking for a performance, just simple portraits. But I know that Angelina loves to improvise a little bit, so I still gave her a little bit of room to express herself. I might switch to another camera, at least for this type of work. Don't worry, it will not be that kind of video where I tell you that I switched from a brand to another. I will tell you more about all that in a future video. 2 new short dance films should be released soon. The first one in 2 weeks or so on my second YouTube channel, and the behind the scenes, the making of that project will be released here on this channel. I'm currently in Toulouse and shouldn't be traveling much in June, so I will be able to release a little bit more content here and on the blog. Plus, for all my European friends, all my French friends, sorry for all the others, but I will be organizing on my Instagram a little giveaway with one of my partners. So look out for that. Join me on Instagram right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. These were my latest news. I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Until then, please have a good one.